Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back. Today we're going to do something kind of fast because we're getting a lot of sun. So I'm going to tell you what my colors are at the end. We're just going to go ahead and layer my cup. This is a 16 by 20 canvas. It's not gallery wrapped, so it's going to be fun. For that size, we need 12 ounces of paint, approximately 11 and a half, 12 ounces of paint. So I'm going to layer my cup real quick. We're going to pour it, and then I'm going to tell you my colors when we're done. Okay, so I'm going to start with a little bit of gold, then a little bit of white, then some Payne's gray, permanent deep violet. I guess I'm telling you my colors as I go. I'm gonna put a little bit more white in there. This one is a pewter color from DecoArt that I added a little bit of Dioxazine Purple to. And we're gonna go with some gold on top of that. And then back to the Payne's gray. White, permanent deep violet, and gold, white, pewter, some of the Payne's gray in there. We're almost at the 12 ounce mark. And I'm going to put a little bit more gold and one more shot of white. Okay, so let's do this. I'm going to put a little bit of white down here, and I want to do a wandering ring pour, so, and then spread it out. So we're going to pour it into that. Actually, let's spread that out a little bit. Okay, that's good. Here we go. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm going to turn that around real fast and let it do its thing. So this is my drips. We did a pour right before this, and I scraped my table into this cup. So that's all of these colors. And I'm going to thin that down just a tiny bit. And we're going to pour it around this as a flow extender. And you want your drips thinner than the paint that you've just poured usually. Not so thin that it's like sliding in streams down there, but you want it thinner than what's in your cup. So, okay, let's thin it out now. Let's pour this around here. And get some on our corners. Because when the corners get grabby, that's what screws up your composition, I figured out. Okay, let's spread that out real fast. And then we're going to tilt it. It's nice and sparkly because the gold was in there. So that's actually not the 24 karat DecoArt. This one is just gold from DecoArt Matte Metallics. Just gold, no 24 karat. But it's still very pretty. I like it a lot. And it's got a nice, it stays. It hasn't disappeared. It didn't disappear in the last pour either, which was nice. And that one was a straight pour. Okay, let's tilt it. That's cool. Let's torch it first. Okay, several of you have said my torch is scary. It's actually really, really lightweight, and I'm not scared of it at all. I've been using it for more than a year and never had any problems with it. So please don't worry. It's very lightweight, and I got this. So, all right, let's tilt this. I want to open up those lines. I'm going to go off that corner, come back, back to the center, open that side up and go down off that edge. That's good. Ooh, that's pretty. Back to the middle. I'm going to go down off of that corner now. Nice and slow. Controlling which part of the paint is moving off and what we're keeping. Okay, now down off of that edge. So that looks kind of cool with that negative space of the Payne spray. Maybe we'll leave some of the Payne spray on there. Or maybe not. Open that side up, it's really cool. So I like this better than down there, so I'm going to take that off and stretch this out. There we go. That's that. That's pretty cool. Okay, so now I'll tell you what the colors are. So I have Golden's Payne's Gray, and then I have another Golden's is Permanent Deep Violet, and then I had the DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in Pewter, and I added some Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple to the Pewter, and then I had the DecoArt Americana Decor Matte Metallics in Gold. So pretty cool stuff. I love this. This is really neat. So that pewter has always given me problems because it is a little thin. So this cup of it that I mixed up, I actually put almost twice as much paint as I normally do to keep it thick, to keep its color. Woo, look at that in the sun. That's cool. Your polarizer on. That's really neat. Awesome. So that was a lot of fun. I'll show you this one when it's dry. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. See you soon. corners covered on that side?
Yes.
That's badass. I love it. Hi guys. So this is a few days later, and I don't know if you can see Zen over there scratching in the tree. Come here, Zen. No, it's nap time, Mama. Anyway, back to the painting. This one turned out so neat. I love little pours like this that just surprise you and become amazing. This is so cool. I love these lines in here where the white and the pewter are. And that's the pewter. I mixed it with some Dioxazine Purple. I love this section. It's just gorgeous. Got the Payne's gray in the back, and then the permanent deep violet, and a little bit of white, and you see that gold. So this one was the DecoArt matte metallics gold, not the 24 karat. And it's still selled up. You see gold in the cells. Got those cool stripy cells too. And some pretty cells over here. I love this corner. It's really gorgeous. Just beautiful. So I like the pewter better in this one. Turned out pretty neat. Hang on one second, I'll put the other one up for you. Okay, so this was the second pour that I did that we just shot on my little camera. This turned out so cool though. Look at these lines. I love the composition on this one, how this sort of fans out and spreads, and then there's this part in the center that's almost braided. That's really pretty. And all these beautiful lines over here. Lots of depth. Lots of flow and movement in this one. And there's the matte metallics. It turned out really beautiful. I'm impressed. I like it. Not quite as sparkly as the 24 karat, but it kept its color. It didn't blend into everything and go away. So, and it's a pretty color when it's dry. Very, very nice. I like it. So this was the second pour. Very cool. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I really do appreciate it, and I appreciate all your support. You guys have been so awesome with the last video about Sarah, and several other artists, and I have started a GoFundMe page for her, and I will link that for you in the description box as well. Thank you so much for all of your generous donations and all your lovely wishes to her. I know she really appreciates it very, very much. So thanks again, and if you guys would, please share that link. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful day. We'll see you for the next one. Bye-bye.